Your Enismo dashboard is your personal funding activity source. In the top right, you'll find your user profile as well as the messaging and notification area. The center of your dashboard informs you about your personal user status according to your Enismo activities. The sample project pitch at your dashboard shows you how your business idea is going to appear and what kind of information is required for a perfect project pitch. If you already started a project to collaborate on it using the private team chat, a separate project table shows its recent activities and current progress, as well as lets you invite team members. A complete project pitch can be submitted to Enismo. After the successful verification, it is going to be published at our private project list. You can pitch it to known investors in a professional way and use our funding teaser at your project's website for further investors attraction. If you have not started a project yet, please create one and follow the instructions to gain all Enismo benefits. In addition, you will find projects with similar investment criteria at the competitors list to get an overview about your market activity. At least, the Eniwise area provides resources and useful links on funding issues, as well as our tutorials. The glossary in the footer helps you with common and exceptional funding terms. Enjoy using Enismo and get in touch with us for any concerns.